I need a cup of tea.
What's that sound, Nana?
That's water going into the kettle.
Put the water in the kettle, put the water in the kettle.
Listen to this.
The kettle warms the water up.
That's right. The water gets hotter and hotter and then it boils. Can you hear that sound?
That's a funny sound.
That's the kettle singing. The water is boiling hot.
The kettle is whistling. The water is very hot.
Stand back, Eardrop. The water is too hot to touch.
Wow. Pour the hot water into your teacup, Nana.